Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo2 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's find the digital well-being and parental controls. Let's enter. Now we have to tap on show your data, and as you can see right in the middle we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, and you can check that I've been using it for 37 minutes and most of the time I've spent on the settings. What's more, here we've got also the unlocks or notifications count, and here we've got two different ways to check the data about the screen. So we can either tap on in the middle of the graph, which will show us the weekly data about how long we've been using this device in each day. So for example, we can check the Sunday also, we've been using it for 17 minutes. And of course under it we've got listed all apps which have been in use. And after getting back we can tap on particular app, so for example the settings, and we will see the weekly graphs only for this particular app. So this is quite a cool option. And under it we've got the ways to disconnect. So we've got the dashboard, bedtime mode and focus mode, which is quite a cool option because if you need time for yourself, if you need to for example study, work, or you'd like to just rest, then you can enter for example the focus mode. And here you've got the apps. You will be able to mark the apps which are the most distracting, from which you are receiving the most notifications. You will be able to pick them and set a schedule, for example, that you don't want to be disturbed, for example, for 2 hours, and then your device will limit the notifications from those apps. So it is really cool. And under it we've got also the reduce interruptions. We can manage notifications or enter do not disturb mode, which is defaultly on this device. Here we've got also the heads up, and we can show icon on the app list, and we can enter parental controls if you want to. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your REALME GT Neo2. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.